You're driving on a sunny highway, blue sky, music playing, everything normal. Suddenly, in a blink, total darkness. Not like an eclipse, absolute blackness, as if someone flipped a cosmic switch. It's noon, but the sky is pitch black. Welcome to the worst minute in human history. Here's something mind-blowing. The sun could disappear right now, and you wouldn't know. Light takes exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. Traveling 300,000 kilometers per second across 150 million kilometers of space, you're literally living in the sun's past. If the sun vanished at noon, you'd see a perfect day until 12 hours, 8 minutes and 20 seconds. People at the beach, kids playing, nobody suspects anything. But then, without warning, darkness falls like a guillotine over half the planet. And it's not just any darkness. Imagine snow polo on a sunny afternoon plunging into the blackest night ever. No moon in the sky either, because the moon only reflects sunlight. Without the sun, no moonlight. But here's the incredible part. For the first time in history, billions would see stars at midday. The Milky Way stretching over cities, nebulae, constellations, the entire universe revealed at lunchtime. It's terrifying, beautiful, absolute chaos. On highways, drivers panic without headlights, multiple collisions, global traffic collapses instantly. Commercial pilots at 10,000 meters lose all visual references. Instruments are all that stand between passengers and freefall. Air traffic controllers shout coordinates, preventing mid-air collisions. In cities, panic spreads, sirens wailing, phone networks overloaded, millions thinking simultaneously, is this the end of the world? Because honestly, how many people know sunlight takes 8 minutes to arrive? For 99%, the sun just blew out like a light bulb. Social media explodes in 30 seconds. But here's where it gets really interesting. Gravity works like light, traveling through space at light speed. Einstein proved this. When the sun disappears, Earth doesn't feel gravitational loss immediately. It keeps orbiting a sun that no longer exists for 8 minutes and 20 seconds, like seeing a star that exploded centuries ago. After light vanishes, during that minute of total darkness, Earth finally loses solar gravity. And what happens? We leave orbit. Earth travels nearly 30 kilometers per second around the sun. When solar gravity disappears, we continue straight. For 60 seconds, we travel 1,787 kilometers in a straight line through space. But here's the plot twist. On cosmic scale, this is nothing. Physicists calculated the orbital deviation would be just a few centimeters, less than a car tire width. When the sun returns and gravity comes back, Earth slides smoothly back into orbit as if nothing happened. Nature has its own airbags. Temperature, zero change. Oceans covering 71% of the planet are massive thermal radiators. 1 minute without sun doesn't cool even a fraction of a degree. Plants pause photosynthesis for 60 seconds and resume when light returns, like holding your breath. No damage. Animals show strange momentary behaviors. Owls wake up, birds fall silent, but everything normalizes in minutes. Solar plants stop completely, but modern electrical grids have backup batteries and other sources. Lights flicker, but no total blackout. Satellites and the space station switch to emergency batteries. Software automatically corrects orientation. GPS may be unstable for minutes but doesn't fail. Earth was shaped by 4.5 billion years of evolution under a stable star. It has natural redundancies we barely understand. At 12 hours, 9 minutes and 20 seconds, exactly 1 minute after darkness fell, the sun reappears where it was. Nuclear fusion restarts. Light flows through space again. But remember, 8 minutes and 20 seconds of waiting. The longest 8 minutes in human history. People praying, families embracing, governments in bunkers, scientists on live TV trying to explain the inexplicable while they themselves don't understand. And then, at 12 hours, 17 minutes and 40 seconds, light returns. As abrupt as it left, the sky explodes in blue. The sun is there, exactly where it should be. Colors return, shadows form. The moon reappears like a ghost gaining shape. Absolute silence for 3 seconds. Then screams, crying, relief, confusion. Millions of smartphone videos capturing the moment, the day the sun blinked. This thought experiment reveals a profound truth about our place in the universe. We're always living in the stars past. Everything we see in the night sky is ancient history. That star, its light left when your grandparents were young. That galaxy, when dinosaurs still existed. Even the sun, our closest neighbor, only shows us who it was 8 minutes ago. And here's the comforting part. Even with an event as catastrophic as the sun disappearing, Earth barely flinches. Our planet is a thermal, gravitational, and biological fortress shaped by eons of adaptation. We're more resilient than we think. So what would happen if the sun vanished for 60 seconds? Human chaos, global terror, but surprisingly, no lasting damage to the planet. Because in the end, the universe operates on scales so vast that even 1 minute without our star is just a cosmic blink. But what a blink it would be. Every second, the sun sends enough energy to Earth that could power human civilization for 500,000 years. And it does this for free, for 4.6 billion years, without stopping. Maybe we should say thanks more often.